Climate of India, the fourth lesson in our social studies. Before going to teach the lesson, I would like to revive the previous classes experience and the previous classes information which you have retained in your minds. Okay, do you understand? What is climate? What is weather? What are the seasons in India? Do you know? In previous classes, I think in 8th class and 9th class, you have learned so much things about the weather and the climate and the climatic conditions, which factors influence the climatic conditions and weather climate, etc. Do you know what is weather? What is climate? Anybody can differentiate them? Yes, there is a small difference. Weather is a particular state of the atmospheric conditions of a place at a time. An example, now the climate is sunny. We are saying like that, but here we are status about the weather, not climate, because weather is a temporary atmospheric condition. Climate is differ to weather. Weather only relates the temporary atmospheric conditions like raining, hot weather, or drowsy weather, sunny weather, mild climatic weather, etc. Sometimes we are saying today is very hot, today afternoon it's raining, today morning it is snowing, and today evening it is very pleasant weather. But you are always remember one thing: weather is a temporary status of atmospheric conditions. Climate is different to weather because climate is in a elaborate condition. A particular place, particular time. Here the time is not today or tomorrow or 1 year. Here the time is 30 years. Yes, the average condition of atmospheric status of a place for 30 years called as climate. It means Kashmir is having cool climate. Ramagundam is hot always. Sahara desert is always having very hot winds. This type of statements are refers to climate. But temporary statements, whatever you see in your TV's weather report, those are all belongs to the temporary conditions which are changed to day by day or time to time, but not the state of atmospheric conditions of a particular area at a particular time is called as weather. At the same time, a particular large area, the atmospheric conditions average of about 30 years, it is called climate. The main difference between weather and climate: weather is refers to a short period or temporary status of atmospheric conditions. It is only for a short period and fluctuate even after within a short period. But climate is differ to weather because climate refers a large time.